Hi from Town Hair Salon. We completed Jamie's hair from today. We took her really blonde and then we put in the new 𝗧𝗢𝗡 hand-tied extensions that we're super excited about, and she's modeling. I love you, Jamie. You're the best. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, it's flawless. You can't really see where her hair ends and where these extensions begin. She's excited to be able to pick up her hair and put it in a ponytail. That's huge for her because we've been doing tape-in extensions for a long time. So this new technique is going to allow her to be able to have a little more flexibility on what she can do as far as like picking it up and then putting it in braids. Look at that. If you get, I mean, you can't, it's flawless. These are, again, these are hand-tied 𝗧𝗢𝗡 extensions. I'm going to kind of show you guys what we got going on. We've got about 3 of those rows in there, but they're very well hidden with her hair. So if the wind blows, nobody's going to see her extensions. We straightened it, we curled it, we've done everything with it today. You want to turn to the side again? Remember, her hair is probably, her hair is right there. So her hair is pretty short. What do you think, Jamie?
I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
The first thing that she said was, oh my God, my hair's so light. Like she just doesn't, she used to do 5 packs of tape-ins, so this is just really light on her head, and she's gonna be able to rock it for about 6 to 8 weeks, and then she's gonna come in and we're going to undo it, which takes 2 seconds to undo. We're gonna clean them up, we're gonna do her color, and then we're gonna put them right back in. So we get to use the same hair. And then I wanted to show you, this is the extension itself. I just wanted you to see how thin that is. So if you put your hand over her head, you don't feel anything. It's amazing.
I love it.
Aww. Well, awesome. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Stephanie, hey girl. Yeah, Samuel's actually right here. You want to say hey? She was like, I have an appointment with Samuel. Awesome. Well, we're excited, and Samuel's actually going to do mine next week because I can't wait to get my hands in this for myself. So, anyways, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below. We are super excited about this new technique that we're bringing to Raleigh, and we will see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, do you want to tell them about your new job?
No.
Why not? Look, she's working part-time at, I didn't know this place existed. 𝗧𝗢𝗡𝗘. It is like Topgolf, but like I didn't realize that Raleigh was getting one, and she's, oh, I'm so excited.
I'll be a server there.
Yes.
So I'm excited.
We can't wait. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.